Hello YouTube, this is Mark Woods with another video. Here to show you guys an unboxing of the Taramps, whatever this is, and whatever this is. I don't know which one we want to check out first. We're gonna check out the subwoofer. Now this is going up into a Buick LeClerc.
It's going in the car.
So we're gonna put this up in here. It's double box, y'all. They box these products up real good. Shot of that. Y'all see that? Already, most of y'all gonna know what it is off the top. Just gotta pull this out. You can stop. All right, y'all, we back. Check out this beautiful boy. That's surround on it. It has a pretty nice surround on it. Real tight. Let's check out the bottom of it. I mean, you got 1,000 watts RMS on it. No 4-ohm speaker. Resilient gold, y'all. Check out the terminals. And the terminals, man. Oh, yeah, we can get 8-gauge wire. We're going to have to probably get you some 8-gauge wire, man. Yeah, we can get 8-gauge wires up in there. Some pretty good terminals, by the way. Real solid surround. I like these, man. I really do. But let's go ahead and check out this Taramps out real quick, y'all. See what we got going on here.
What is supposed to be Tramps?
Taramps. Taramps. I'm gonna move this on over. Excited, man. We about to put some thump in somebody's ride. We ain't gonna pull it out the plastic. This is really the first time that we unboxed the Taramps amp. We got a little sticker right there, manual. You know, comes up in a very, very simple box. It's a Taramps 5K. I mean, Taramps 3K base smart. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Y'all see right here, it comes with the little clip meter on the side. Like I said, I ain't gonna take it out the plastics. I want it to be looking brand new and good when we put it in the car. You know, top smart technology. You know, it goes from 0.5 to 2 ohms, but we gonna have it wired to 1 ohm. I already got that figured out in my head. Now, I mean, we can go a little bit bigger on the inputs, but the inputs look only like 4 gauge. I mean, that's pretty small, but we'll work with it. It's got your gain, your high pass, your low pass, your frequency, and your boost. So, hey, that's just about it, guys. That's just about it, you know. I'm going to keep you guys updated on this build that we're doing. You know, it's going to be a nice build. I'm very excited to see it myself. You know, you see how good them surrounds is, man. Them surrounds, boy. Real, they just like mine. They just like the high excursions. So I hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you do, smash that like button. If you're new and love car audio and wants to learn car audio, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.